YNR actress Victoria Rowell has been very vocal about the unfair treatment she faced on the set of her former show, with the actress filing multiple lawsuits against Sony and CBS. While Rowell has publicly spoken about multiple events that contributed to her distress, there is one particular feud that fans might remember. It's been years since her exit from The Young and the Restless, but we still can't forget the iconic feud between her and her former co-star Michelle Stafford. Here's a breakdown of the infamous feud between the two YNR veterans.
Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
Victoria Rowell's Drusilla Winters was a staple character on The Young and the Restless from 1990 to 2007. Years after her exit, the actress came forward with multiple allegations of, quote, racially charged attacks she endured on the set of YNR, even filing a lawsuit in 2015. Fans might remember one particular scene involving Rowell and Michelle Stafford, where Stafford's character Phyllis did a spit take, which is a scene where you spit out water from your mouth after someone says something shocking. But some of you may not know about the intense backstory behind it. According to Rowell, Stafford actually spit on her and the act was premeditated. During the scene, as Drew is about to tell Phyllis she is her boss, Michelle elected to freely pick up the mug, fill her mouth with water, and spew the contents therein on me, Rowell said in a 2010 interview. She continued, "You could hear a pin drop on the set. No one moved, dead silence. Michelle began laughing hysterically and couldn't stop. In fact, Michelle ruined the tag of the scene because it was supposed to end on her, but she couldn't refrain from laughing." Rowell went on to say that the former co-executive producer Ed Scott was in on it and encouraged Stafford's move. Meanwhile, Stafford has explained her version, saying that she did not spit on Rowell on purpose. In an interview with TV Guide in 2008, the Phyllis actress said that she was hurt after Rowell came out with the allegation, as she considered them friends. Stafford isn't the only one who allegedly wronged Rowell, who claims that she was treated badly by her other co-stars Melody Thomas Scott, Eileen Davidson, and Peter Bergman. After leaving the show, Rowell has moved on to other projects, most notably her show The Rich and the Ruthless, while Stafford returned to play Phyllis in 2019.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us, and comment down below if you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.